Namaste everyone, thank you very much for joining me in the 11th lecture of Angular Crash Course. So in this one, we are going to talk about routing. As you can see, I already have a file named app-routing.module.ts inside the application folder because I passed yes to routing while creating the application. Now, if you haven't passed yes to routing, what you can do, you can create a routing module inside the application folder through this command. Let me just show it to you. So I need to execute the enter button for creating that routing module. Okay, so as you can see, a file named app-routing2 has been created by the command, and it is the code is very much similar to what we have here inside the existing app routing file. Right now, I do not want it right now, so I'm deleting it for now. Okay, I need to delete the new routing module I've created from these files from module.ts also. Done with that. Okay, so now let's create two new components. Okay, so in total we have three components now. This is the first component, and these are the files of the second named component we just created. Now here in the HTML of the first named component we have first works, and then here for the HTML in the HTML of the second named component we have second works. Let's come here on app.component.html. Now I do not want content on my front end, so for now let me just comment it out. Okay, right, and now the routing module.ts file with this main HTML file. So for doing that, we can simply write here router outlet. Now let's come here on the app-routing.module.ts file, and inside routes, let's define some paths. Now I'm saving the changes, and here you will see the HTML part of the first named component also getting reflected. Right. If I put first here and save the changes, so that part has gone. So how can I access that first component's HTML part? I need to put first just next to 4200, and automatically the part will come. Similarly, if you have to link the if you have to define the path for the second component, right, so you can do it like this, second, and then you can simply change the name of the component. So it is the second component which I want to redirect the user to. So this is how we can do it. So if it is first, then it will see the HTML of the first component, and if it is second next to 4200, he will see the second HTML files part. Right, now if suppose I put first here also, then what's gonna happen? So we'll see only the first component's HTML part. We'll not see the second component's HTML part. This is a component which we are passing first. Yeah, right. So what happens in Angular is the page doesn't change, only the content on the page changes. You route the user from one component to other. Right. So this is how routing can be done. I hope you guys enjoyed a lot. I'll see you in the 12th lecture. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day ahead.